Hey guys, my name is John Pichero from My Agent Real Estate and welcome here to my newest listing at 125 Hickford Street in Reservoir. The home built in 1960, spanning over 835 square metres of land. It's a south-facing rear. The home has got so much potential. I know you're going to love it. We're going to go inside and take a look now. I'll walk you through. So come on through this way. It's a south-facing rear, as I said. The home's right in the heart of Reservoir. So it was built by our owners in 1960. So they've lived here from the very, very beginning. As you're going to see, there's so much potential with this home. Like the renovation that you could do is just amazing. I can't even decide as to what type of facade it is, but it's so eclectic internally. You're going to notice that all the different features that it's got. So we'll go inside. As you can see, you've got a big, big front yard here with multiple little spaces that you can enjoy. Lots of greenery around, plenty of grass and space for the kids to play at the front yard. A little alcove area just at the front, just here. And we'll go inside now and take a look. So there's without doubt the home's going to need some work, but that's the exciting thing about it. So as you'll see when you walk in, come through, it's original. It's so original. It's got pitch ceilings, as you'll see, right throughout the home. Timber wall paneling, carpeted. Now underneath the carpet, I haven't had a chance to have a look, but I dare say by the sound of it, there is actually floorboards underneath here. So this is your first of 3 living zones that you've got. A gas heater, which is still functioning. It is absolutely fantastic that it's still there and still functioning. So lounge room number 1. We'll swing around here to the accommodation of the property. So here's your central corridor, which leads you to your 3 bedrooms and your central bathroom. Light filled, bedroom 1, light filled, floor to ceiling windows, built-in cupboards, which will obviously stay with the property, carpet underneath, but again, by the sounds of things, I think it's floorboards under here. I'm pretty sure it is floorboards under here. So generous size bedroom, which is absolutely what you need. Fantastic size. This is a queen size bed, and there is still plenty of space to be had. We come through the floorboard, and George, just have a look here. LED lighting right through the home, which again was built back in when the home was built in 1960. So that's really, really cool. I love that. So coming through to your second bedroom, again, as you'll see, floor to ceiling windows, really loads and loads of natural light, which I absolutely love. And that's by product of the south facing rear, which you've got. So the home's been set up for that. Built-in robes just over here to the left. Again, this is a queen size bed. So you can just see the sheer size of the property and the bedroom. So it's absolutely massive, which is fantastic. Really, really well thought through in the time that they were building the property. And over here to the left is the third bedroom, a bit smaller than the other 2, but still quite sizable. At the minute it's set up with 2 single beds in here, but definitely a double bed could fit in here, no problems whatsoever. We have got a sunroof, which the blind is not quite working at the minute, but there is a sunshade just there, sunlight just there. And we'll walk over here through to your bathroom. So the bathroom, as you can see, really 1960s, 1970s built. Original tiles, bath, all eclectic, like sunlight just above your head there. Shower is just over here to your left. So it's really functional, you know, for those that are looking for a family to bring up, having a bath is super, super important. Everyone that needs a bath, that doesn't have a bath, says that they want a bath, and now you've got one. So which is really, really cool. So to move in here and live comfortably for a period of time, until some changes need to be made, or if you want to make them, you can do that. The bath is there, which is really awesome. So we'll come on back down through to the kitchen area. And as you'll see, functional, very functional kitchen. Plenty of cabinetry right through. Your Bosch dishwasher just here. 40mm ice snow Caesarstone bench tops, which has just been put in not too long ago from the current owners. Of course, they've owned the property since the very beginning. Gas cooktop. Electric cooktop, I should say, not gas, but electric cooktop, still functioning, very, very serviceable. So as you see, there's loads of bench space. French style sink, which I really love. Like that's a gentle touch, which I really, really love. And modernisation. When there's never enough PowerPoints, you just put one in the middle of your island bench, which is so cool, so modern these days, so chic. I really, really love that. So just press that button down and it goes down like that. Pretty cool. So we'll lead over here. So you've got breakfast bar here to sit down and enjoy over breakfast, have a quick coffee or a quick cup of tea. There's a cabinet under here as well. as you can see there. So loads of storage space, which is what you need just to be able to put everything away. So we'll come on through here, which is your second, I suppose, your second lounge area. Nice little retreat space. It's really large. It's a nice little reading space. It could be a study if you just wanted to put some doors in, just to separate the kitchen and this room here. Nice little study, multi-purpose room, which is fantastic. This again has got floorboards underneath. I'm fairly certain there'd be floorboards underneath. I'd be upset if they won't, but if they're not, but I'd be certain that there is floorboards underneath here. We step out to what is now the third living zone. So the vendors have set this up as their dining space, which I quite love. If I'm quiet enough, you might be able to hear a little water pond feature just here. That's beautiful, just to sit out here on a morning with the beautiful sunlight that we've got today, just read a newspaper, have a coffee. It's so beautiful to be out here in this space. Another lounge room. So this is a multi-purpose room. So it could be a rumpus area for the kids. You could put a pool table in here. There's one set up in the garage at the minute, but you could put a pool table in here. It could be another lounge dining area if you wish, if you wanted some more space. But it's really well set out. It's a large room, really awesome to have. The space is what we're really wanting, and this home certainly provides that. We walk through here to your laundry and second shower. So this is an extension that the vendors did some time later after the original build, and they had the idea to put another bathroom in here so that once John, the owner, came home from work, he'd come in the back end and would shower up and clean up in here. But there's a second toilet and a second shower, which is really cool. A little lovely vanity with marble bench top just here and a basin on top, and your laundry space there. Your dishwasher, your dryer and your washing machine can fit in that spot, no problems whatsoever. And your trough. And we'll come out here to the haven of your backyard, and this is where the rest of the land is. So as I said earlier, 835 square metres of land in reservoir. You'll walk out here and it's just a garden sanctuary. I absolutely love it. These features here just make it so peaceful to spend as much time as you want outside. That is also functioning. There are some fish in here, if you can see, George, and like the age of the home, the size of the fish would probably reflect somewhat similar. They are huge gommets, I would say they would be, but they obviously will be staying with the property, so they're fantastic. So we'll walk through. So there's multiple little zones outside as well, which I find really, really cool. So you've got nice little seating area here as the vendors have set up. So just out here, it's all undercover. It's so beautiful. It's so peaceful out here. Like the sounds of the birds, the water, the swimming pool is just over here, which we'll have a look in just a sec. But it's just so well set out, so many different zones where you can separate from being in the hustle and bustle of a family lifestyle. You can just get away in your own little land. The garage is just over here. So, double car garage, clearly, study zone, work zone. There's a workbench in here as well. Like I said, the rumpus room in the home that you could put this pool table in there. Well, not this pool table, but a pool table. But the vendors have decided to put the pool table in here, which has been great. So it's really, really large. Again, easily a 2-car garage, multiple space in here for that. Storage, if you needed some more storage, 1 car and storage, it can be done. So this is here for you, which is fantastic to have. And we'll walk out, we'll show you the rest of the backyard. So as I said, we've got 1, 2 zones already, and then your third zone here, it's already landscaped. You've got some brick tiles here, which makes it so easy to entertain your barbecue area. They've got a fire pit. And just imagine, like, we are in the heart of autumn at the moment, and just being out here on a night, like, it's a beautiful night. So it's really sunny and bright and beautiful today, but just being out here tonight would be sensational with your family and friends. You'll love it. It's such a lovely zone, as you can see. It's really easy to fall in love with this zone. I absolutely love it. And finally, just to top it all off, we have got not a plunge pool, not a lap pool, but this is a serious size pool. Built some time ago, still functioning. It's all to code, so the vendors have had everything checked off by the council, so everything is done to code. There is just over to the left a shower. Once you've done with your fun and entertainment in the pool, there's a shower there just to clean off. All the pool equipment is just over there to behind me, and more land. So this is obviously a part of the land as well. So it's got absolutely everything, and chickens, which is really, really cool. So guys, that's the home in its entirety. As you can see, there's so much flexibility to be had. Obviously with the floor plan, there's work to be done inside if you want immediately. If not, you can live in the home and enjoy. It's a flexible floor plan. The home is on 835 square meters of land, which I've said multiple times. It can be a development site if you wish it later on, subdivide the property, subject to the council approval. So the home has got so much diversity. I know you've loved it. If you have any friends that would like further information, like, tag, and share with them. Otherwise, if you'd like a private inspection, please feel free to call me on 0405 134 726, or I look forward to seeing you at one of the open for inspections.